Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. I know usually you just see me on this end of the camera, but today I have my very special guest, my mother-in-law, Teresa English, hence the English last name, and they're here visiting us in Nova Scotia for about 2 weeks, which means that I get some girl time with my mama and you guys get to see some really fun and unique DIYs because you guys think I'm so creative. Well, guess what? This girl over here is even more creative and she does a lot of DIYs in a completely different genre than what I usually do. She uses a lot of fabrics and textiles and natural items that you guys are probably going to get a little glimpse at over the next couple of weeks. She was already scavenging the property today, seeing what she can make things with. So today we're going to do a fun DIY where we get to really just use any type of rope-like material to create something fun. So we're just going to enjoy the beautiful sunshine in Nova Scotia today and do a little bit of creating. I have a little project I've been thinking about making and challenging myself, and Mom's got some surprises up her sleeve, so I'm gonna wait and see what Mom makes and we're gonna show you guys at the end. So if you're new to our channel, hit subscribe and we're gonna get creating.
Do I have to like choose afterwards, like who is the best DIY? I don't know if I can do it.
And don't forget, I have been driving 24 hours.
Yes.
I have not had much sleep.
Oh yeah, and Elysia was thinking about this one and you are thinking about yours on the spot.
Yeah.
You're having a freestyle.
Yeah, freestyle.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. But it's been a while since that happened, knock on wood. I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me, yeah, you do.
Hold on.
She's already getting
Elysia, what are you working on right now?
I saw this really neat basket online that was crocheted, I'm assuming with some type of yarn.
Right.
And it was a basket. It was so cute and it was an owl.
Okay.
Super overzealous trying to make this with jute, but I found some really thick really braided jute here, which I thought would make the coils a lot fatter and chunkier, and then I'm going to try to turn it into an owl.
Okay.
We'll see.
You're going to turn this into an owl.
I'm going to turn this into an
that's a hoot.
owl basket. Oh, that's a cute.
Oh.
Mom, what do you got going on?
So, I saw this down by your feet on the floor, so
Right.
I had you toss me that and all the jute, and I'm weaving a pattern with jute, and I'm going to use this just as a form, and then I'll take it out after I get my form.
Oh, cool.
So
cool.
I'm trying to weave a little basket.
All right.
Maybe I'll make it into an owl. I don't know.
I was gonna say, so
At the owl competition.
Yeah, the owl I didn't know we were having that competition. I was down by.
I turned it into a competition. I just turned it into a competition.
I was-
Sorry.
no competition.
Everything's no, it's a competition.
Well, it isn't a competition who loses has to make dinner because I'm pretty sure
No,
he's
he's
making
making
dinner. Mom makes baskets using. Do you want to explain?
I use bark. I use branches. I use leaves. All sorts of natural things that I find. So
I'll see if I can
we'll make one later.
steal. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say I'll see if I can steal some of Mom's finished product pictures to put on our dashboard later on this week, so you guys can see some of the things that Mom's making. And actually, Mom has some of her stuff going into a show in September, which is pretty neat.
Yeah.
I don't know how big I should make my base because, although I have a ton of jute here, you never really know how
Yeah.
much a coil is going to make with a. And I didn't look how many feet this was, but I think I'll be okay. Could be a small owl.
Could be.
Could be a small owl.
Could be a tiny owl.
Could be.
Just a little hoot.
Yeah. Just a little hoot. I was gonna say, who can guess how many?
Oh, that was good.
Okay, I'm done now. But I will be here all week.
That's what I say to Dad all the time. I'm here all week. Day, can you come over and give me a hand? Yes. Thank you. So, what we're gonna do.
Can you see my concentration? I'm trying to make it.
Soon
And
as
the
I-
whole time in my head, I'm like, how am I gonna make this look like?
Are you concentrating more that I called it a competition?
I thought there was something weird that there was 2 DIYs going on at the same time. Question, is this fair?
Yeah,
you're
right?
getting help?
Nana gets an extra
No, yeah, that's
helping
fair.
hand, but you're cute, so we'll keep
Hey.
you.
Yeah, that's fair.
Mom and I are going to reveal the DIY projects that we made using just jute. I used a little bit of a cheat with the hot glue, and Mom used a piece of scrap wood that she found on the deck. Just goes to show you that you can make some really cute projects just using things that you have around and really inexpensive materials like jute.
I'm going to take my block out because I didn't want to keep it in there. And there I have a little container, and I went into your garden and picked a few little pretty flowers to sit in. I don't know if it'll sit, but I think it will.
So cute. And then Mom weaved all of the fibers that she used with the jute along there to actually do it. So she didn't use any cheats with glue like I did. So super cute. And then I used a thicker jute. Mom used the thinner stuff and then frayed the tassels at the end, which I thought were super cute around the top. I didn't do any fraying on mine, but I just used the hot glue gun to create a coil. And then I tried to make the recreated sort of owl basket that I saw that was done out of crochet. Looked a lot better with the crochet, but still doable with the jute. And then Mom brought me a plant today when they came to visit. So I'm just gonna use it as a little planter.
I think it's a winner.
This went from friendly DIY to full-blown competition.
Please leave down in the comments who is the winner
I
here.
think it's a winner.
Well, yours smells prettier than me, so. Today we really did enjoy the sunny weather out here in Nova Scotia and having Mom and Dad visit. We've had lots of questions on our channel on if we're going to be doing trash or treasure, DIYs, home renovations, but we are actually have halted our renovations just for the next 2 weeks while Mom and Dad visit, because the dining room is now the B&B English hotel as we have Mom and Dad set up, because their guest room upstairs doesn't currently have walls, because you guys haven't seen the renovations of what their guest room will be eventually. But for now, they're staying in a nice cozy spot we set up for them in the dining room, and we get to work on some fun projects while they're here. So renovations will continue in about 2 weeks, but if you want to see all the creative projects that we're going to work on over the next couple of weeks, we have a lot of projects planned, including some stuff coming up for fall that you really are going to want to make sure that you don't miss. So hit subscribe, and we will see you on the next episode. Bye!